Morning guys, actively welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing you on how to generate code using AI and how different AI looks like their performance in generating code, which one is the best and which one is not the best. I'm going to show you guys here in this video so that you know how to go about your project in case you are doing a project about creating a software. So in this video I will be showing you on how to generate code. That is, if you don't have enough knowledge on how to code but you understand how to correct the codes, maybe if you have error in your codes or something like that, this video is for you. It's very good for you, because for you to start using AI to generate code you have to have the little knowledge of how the codes look like. Okay, if I should have error in my code, how can I correct it? You need to know this before you can start. So as you can see, here is an article for student performance monitoring system. So firstly, we are going to look at this. You can see, for you to create a student performance monitoring system, firstly you have to generate the architecture of how things is going to be in the performance monitoring system. As you can see, we have the database, the website, the teachers. Under teachers we have the registration, view student performance, then give suggestions. Then under student we have implement suggestions given by teachers, view his performance. While this website we have notify parents, all these things. So we are trying to create like student performance monitoring system. As you can see, here's a preview of project of someone, like how the student performance monitoring system look like. So let's go to the main deal. So I will be showing you on how to generate this code with three different AI. The first one is going to be Chatgpt, while the second one is going to be DeepSeek AI, while the third one is going to be Quen, which you all know as Alibaba AI. So let's start with Chatgpt. I'll show you the difference and how to paste the code and test it in your Chatgpt in your phone. So let's start with Chatgpt. So for you to generate a code for student performance monitoring system using Chatgpt, all you have to do is write let's say generate a code. Generate a source code. You can see, generate a source code to create a student performance monitoring system. You can see, to create a student performance, you have a student performance monitoring system. You have something like this. You can see we have to generate a source code to create a student performance monitoring system. So you just send it to your ChatGPT and know. I just want to show you the differences of how you can do that using your either ChatGPT and also Meta AI, ChatGPT and DeepSeek and other that of Quen, which is Alibaba AI. So as you can see here, for you to create a student performance monitoring system using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, this system allows teachers to add student details, update scores and monitor their performance. Here are the key features you need to know. Add student with name, ID and course. All these are things that you are going to put them in your source code. So if you have the knowledge of HTML, you understand how the codes look like. Okay, maybe I have error in my code. How can I correct the codes? Here is the code. So all you have to do now is um go to your code editor. If you're using VS Code or maybe you are using and travel it on phone, you can also do that. Just copy this code, create a file and name it index.html. Then you can paste this code, and again you can see that of CSS and the JavaScript code. So let's get to it. Let's finish generating the code. As you can see, the code is being generated. So you can see, so all this we have the codes ready. What do you have to do now? The next thing you have to do is go back to your thread edit, that is your code editor, and do it. Though I prefer DeepSeek, this is the best, but we can also try this so that you can see how it looks like. You can know the differences between DeepSeek, ChatGPT and Quen, which is Alibaba AI, the father of the AIs. So let me show you something you need to know about this. So firstly, when you click on the menu, click on workspace and click this plus icon here. Then you click on create new project. Okay, let's say you want to create you say it's going to be a student performance monitoring system. Okay, let's say student performance as our project folder, student performance. So enter this project folder, create a file and name it index.html. Index.html. You save it. Create another, name it style. or styles, anyone. Okay, let's just make it style.css. Then the other one you have to create again is going to be script.js. Script.js. So now you have your project file ready. So all you have to do is be copying and paste the code there so that you can see how it works. When you have error, if you have the knowledge of editing, you can also get the errors there and edit everything to make it normal. That is, you have to debug and check it. So just copy this code, then go back to your index.html, then you paste it here in this index. As you can see, you have pasted the code. Now save it, because even though you view it now, it will look something rough, it's not showing clearly. So you have to add your css, then come back here and copy the css code, then go back and check, then come to your css file. You can see style.css, then you paste it here, you can see, then you save it, go back again, copy that of javascript and paste it there again. Okay, let's say javascript. Here's the javascript code. So now paste it here and save it. So now we have everything ready. So all you have to do is just check and see how the codes look like. You can see there is error in this. So how do we check the errors? That is, you can see from here we have, this is script.js. Okay, so somewhere we may be wrong somewhere. As you can see, this is styles.css, not style.css. So you just change this and make it style.css. Save it back, check again. You can see the color has been added. You can see student performance monitoring system. You just add, okay, the student name, something like, let me just put the student name, the student id, something like this, then course, let me see, mass, something like this. Let me just make it, then add student. You can see by doing this you have added a student. You can see you add a student. So here you can also add the score of the student and everything. This is just a simple way of creating this, though actually ChatGPT is not the best in terms of doing this. Actually, I didn't love ChatGPT, but we stop here. We continue in my next tutorial. I'll be showing you guys on how to do that with DeepSeek and Quen AI. So thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial video.